Let us all seek the blessings of the Almighty by the lighting of lamp.
Shubham Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shatrabuddhi Vinashaya Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir Parabrahma Deepajyotir Janardana Deepajyotir Parabrahma Deepajyotir Janardana Deepo Hartu Me Papam Sandhyadeepa Namostute Purika Brahma Rupastham Jyotisha Prabhuravyayam Purika Brahma Rupastham Jyotisha Prabhuravyayam Arogyam Dehi Putrasya Atim Swachhami Me Sada Ravirastam Samarabhya Yavat Suryodaya Bhavet Ravirastam
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Suryodaya Bhavet Yasya Krishne Gruhe Deepa Tasya Nasti Daritratha Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada.
Lord Ganesha is the god of knowledge and learning as he removes all the obstacles that may come in the way of his devotees, and his devotion teaches us to be responsible and far-sighted enough to differentiate between the good and the bad. This is one of the main purposes for invoking Lord Ganesha before any important event. Now we have a Ganesh Vanda performance by Tia Gupta and Jia Chauhan from grade 5. Thank you, ma'am. We are also very honored to have amongst us Mr. Raja Mohan Varamvalli. Mr. Raja Mohan Varamvalli is the director at ST Microelectronics, which is situated at Greater Noida, and Sir also leads the technology and design platforms in Technology R&D Group. Mr. Raja Mohan did his MTech in IC Engineering from IIT Bombay and then joined R&D department in ITI Bangalore for over 2 years in CAD and Chip Design Center in Milan. He then joined ST Microelectronics and went to its R&D center in Milan, Italy. For 3 years, he was the head of memory design. He has been awarded one US patent in memory generator architecture. After his stint in Italy, he returned to India design to design the Indian Design Center in 1993. And since then, he's part of the technology R&D team. The group has an excellent record of innovation in IP development with more than 500 patents granted. He is passionate about bringing excellence in people in technical and managerial roles. He helps people in ST, India, and France to achieve higher performance and engagement. He is a great patron of art and music. He does a lot of charity work to nurture the young talents. We welcome you, sir. The basic
Thank
objective.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. The basic objective of organizing Computer Science Fiesta is to spread the message of importance of computer science and its application amongst the students. This is vital to develop the interest of students in the subject of computer science and provide them a platform to present their own innovative ideas and to give it the right direction for this innovation. We have invited our esteemed judges from various fields of science and technology. We are extremely delighted to have with us Mr. Anil Yadav. Sir has been working in ST Microelectronics as a group manager in automotive group for the last 17 years and has a total working experience of 20 years. Sir has done his ME from NIT Jaipur in collaboration with Siri Pilani. He is a renowned expert of ADAS chips used for driverless cars. He reads articles for defense equipments. He deals with new technology and today will be the judge of E. Rafael's fancy. We welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. We also have with us Mr. Karthik Sinha, our alumni. Sir is currently studying computer science majors at Georgia Institute of Technology from Georgia, United States of America. Sir is the overall topper of class 12 from our school in science. Sir has a 100% merit certificate in science and social science in class 10. Sir is also a grade 7 classical performance pianist from the Trinity College of London. He will also be judging E. Rafael's fanzine today. We welcome you, sir. Next, we have Dr. Navratan Botra. Sir had been working with one of the most prestigious boarding schools of Rajasthan for close to 12 years. He started his career as a computer teacher at Kendra Vidyalaya 2, Army Cant, Bikaner from August 2006 to July 2007. During the tenure of his job, he was the faculty coordinator for Microsoft. He was in skill partnership with NIESBUD or NIESBUD Noida. He is also associated with the Government of India to promote IT literacy from IIT Mumbai. He will be judging the event DigiView for classes 6 to 8. We welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. We also have with us Mr. Shivam Gupta, also an ex-student from our school. Sir is currently studying in Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. He is studying electronic and computer science. Sir is also a network security tester and ethical hacker. He will be judging the event DigiView with Sir Dr. Navratan Botra from classes 6 to 8. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We also have with us Dr. Charu Gandhi. Ma'am has been teaching for the last 15 years. She has expertise in subjects like computer networks, mobile computing, fundamentals of computer security, Internet of Things, operating systems, distributed systems, and Unix programming. She has participated in many international and national conferences in India as a member of technical program. She is currently guiding 4 PhD scholars. Ma'am is also working as Associate Professor and Departmental Coordinator for Computer Science and Engineering at JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. She will be judging the event Techie Bubble for grades 3 to 5. We welcome you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We also have amongst us today Miss Ruzul Srivastava, also an alumni from our school. Ma'am has secured 98.7% in class 12 boards. Ma'am has a merit certificate for 100% in social science in class 10. Ma'am is a proficient coder and programmer. Ma'am is into making games and designing games. She wants to be an entrepreneur and is on the way of starting her own startup. She will be judging the event Techie Bubbles from grades 3 to 5. We welcome you, ma'am. We also have with us our esteemed principal, Dr. Renu Sagar. We would like to extend a hearty welcome to our respected principal, Dr. Renu Sagar, a two-time recipient of Dr. Radhakrishnan National Award by our former presidents, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee and Dr. Pratibha Patil. She is a dedicated educationist with almost 38 years of experience in the field of education. She is a recipient of many prestigious awards. To name a few, the Ideal Principal Award by Akhil Bharatiya Nagarik Kendra in 2008, Best Principal Award by Rotary International in 2010, Jyotirmani Award by the President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, Uttarakhand Ratna Award in 2015. Ma'am has also guided us in every step of the way and helped us spread our wings so we could excel in our endeavors. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We also extend a very energetic and a competitive welcome to all our vibrant participants and the honorable teachers. We wish that you are blessed with accolades for your performances and go back after having learned something new from here. We welcome you all. Now, I would like to invite our esteemed principal, Dr. Renu Saigal, to kindly address the August gathering.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of entire GD Goenka family, I welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Raja Mohan Varambali, Mr. Anil Yadav, Dr. Charu Gandhi, Dr. Navratan Bothra, Mr. Shivam Gupta, Mr. Karthik Sinha, and Ms. Ruzul Srivastav, along with all the teachers who are escorting the children for this event, and my beloved students who are going to take part in today's event. I welcome you all and expect that you all will be participating in the today's event with full of energy and enthusiasm and vigor. So the thing is, if we have to take part, there will be chances of winning and losing. One must not lose heart if you are losing, because we have to be determined. Every failure will teach you some kind of a lesson for your future. There is a quote from Mr. Kalam: failure will never overtake me. My determination to succeed is strong enough. If you fail, never give up, because failure means first attempt in learning. So don't read success stories. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. In life, if you want to live a happy life, tie it with your goal, not to people or things. Because if you have a focused goal and you focus and concentrate and work with incremental improvement, like Kaizen says, I'm sure you are going to get a success. But even if you lose, never lose heart. It should be a lesson. And I also say, मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का एक इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वाले को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, डरने वाले को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कदमों में पूरा जहान होता है. So I wish each one of you a very good luck, and from the core of my heart, I thank once again the esteemed chief guest, Mr. Raja Mohan Varammalli, and other distinguished judges, and all the participating teams and learned faculty, and my beloved children. So let's have a competition, a healthy competition, where we have the chance of learning and hands-on experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your golden words. Victory belongs to those who are most deserving, and let's embark today's upcoming victory with a song. We heartily welcome you with the energetic welcome song presented to you by our Western vocal music teacher, Mr. Shankar Kumar.
Welcome you today. We are so happy, delighted to have you here this day. Welcome, welcome, welcome you today. We are so happy, delighted to have you here this day. Your presence amidst us gives us happiness. Yes, when comes we all sing, welcome here we sing. Your presence amidst us gives us happiness. Yes, when comes we all sing, welcome here we sing. Welcome here we sing. Welcome, welcome, we welcome you today. We are so happy, delighted to have you here this day. To have you here this day. To have you here this day.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Raja Mohan Varamballi, to enlighten us with his words of wisdom and address the august gathering. Sir, we request you to kindly address the gathering.
Okay, am I audible first of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Principal Ma'am Renu Sehgal. It's really amazing to know that you are a recipient of President's Award twice. You know, I'm really impressed. And thanks Vivikta Chauhan as well as Krishna Ma'am for inviting me for this amongst all of you. I'm really excited to be part of all of you, especially the faculty and the children, though digitally, because mostly I spend my time with the engineers in my office. Engineers are experts in brain-based activities, or often called boring people. Because we spend lots of time in thinking and analyzing more in scientific domain and maybe less of fun, in our day-to-day job. I'm spending beautiful moments with my two children. They are 21 and 15 years of age. They're still young in my mind and experience. For me, children are a fountain of energy with the humongous potential to make positive difference to this world. I am imagining energetic students connected to this medium, full of life, though I cannot see all of you. But of course, I could see some beautiful faces where energetic children are connected and watching in this digital medium. But of course, I cannot see all the children connected. I presume it is not yet negatively impacted by you, by the society so far. When I say you, the energy and the spirit and the purity Usually, I have noticed, after 15 to 20 years, our children are really impacted by the society, both positively and a bit sadly in the negative manner also. So I'm a bit concerned about that. But today I'm imagining beautiful children because your age group is still, in the lower side. I see very high value in today's event. I will tell you why today's event is meaningful. So I have spent a huge amount of time studying on human energy, not just engineering. For the past 10 to 15 years, I have spent time on studying human behavior and what is life and so on. And I noticed the society has many limitations which will kill the energy of people. Though I have spent time with the best of brains in our industry, we do take finest brains in our industry, and they stay with us for decades, 20 or 30 years. We are producing 40 patents per year in my department, and we have produced more than 500 patents so far. In fact, this is the highest patents filed in India, from our company. So this is the environment where I'm living, but still I'm seeing some limitations in the society, and hence coming to school, connecting with all of you is highly refreshing. The world is changing very fast, and we need to adapt, all of us, including us as well as you in the school. So the biggest limitation, as I said, is more of the behavior, and the main reason is that we have focused too much on IQ, or the brain-based thinking, analytical power, and scientific way of thinking. All of them are good, but that is not all alone. So I'm happy to see the new education policy today is well appreciated by the spectrum in India. And I also noticed there was no opposition from the opposition, so which is a very welcome sign. And I hope some of the best ideas proposed there will come to the schools. And now, noticing the competition, what you are conducting today, for me, I'm so much surprised and even appreciating that you are bringing the learning through a kind of a healthy competition, like Principal Ma'am has mentioned. The healthy competition is making children to come out with energy, not just be limited to the classroom learning, which could be a bit of, let's say, a bit boring, or attention might not be there for a long time. And this is quite well known to teachers also. And since you have come up with this particular approach to make the students to learn through a kind of competition, a quick one, which is I like the format, which is not too big or too much complex. And this brings energy in people and the teamwork amongst the group of students. And then, okay, presentation. And like ma'am said, okay, even winning and losing is part of the game. And it's not really going to be negative in the long run, but the learning remains inside. And it's not through a brain-based learning. It is more of energy-based learning, I can say. So I really appreciate all of you for having come up with this idea of learning, as well as bringing it to students in the innovative manner. I know that many of you, the faculty, I know Krishna ma'am, because okay, my daughter is extremely thankful to her for her excellent teaching, and today she is in a top school in the architecture in Ahmedabad, and the energy and the time what she has been spending for preparing this, I came to know, and I guess it will be the same with the several other faculty in the school. So much of work what you are doing behind to make this competition also makes you to learn from the practical means, which is not the traditional learning by brain-based, which is really activity-based learning, which you're setting the example to students that you're also learning by arranging this kind of competition, which is not new, and the pandemic has come once in a century time, and you're adapting and showing to your students you are learning and you're making students to learn. This is the best way to be with them and to make them to learn. So I'm so happy that you have adopted this, and you might be also hopefully creating a kind of competition for other schools to emulate and also generate some of the new practices in learning and make India to be a great country. With all your contribution, I know teachers will have a multiplying effect. Whatever we do, we might be impacting few people, but you are impacting several thousands of children and finally citizens in India and to the world. This is an amazing profession all of you are having. So I really wish all of you a great success in this competition, and for children also a great energetic learning, and hopefully okay, a beautiful way of learning from the non-traditional means. So I thank all of you for inviting me for this occasion, and wish you great success in this competition. And do count on me for any kind of support in future for your school, because I feel it's my duty to help the society and the school where you are having the multiplying effect on the society. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.
Thank you so much, sir. We are extremely grateful to you for you to take out time and come and grace the occasion and bless us. Now,
Thank
we
you.
request you to kindly accept this memento on behalf of management, principal ma'am, students, and the staff of GT Goenka.
Please accept a token of love and appreciation.
Thank you.
I, on behalf of the GD Goenka fraternity, would like to take this opportunity to present the vote of thanks. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude. I would like to thank our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Raja Mohan Varamballi, who has graced us with his thought-provoking address, set a perfect platform for our school. I would also like to express our sincere thanks to our talented panel of judges. I would like to acknowledge our deep sense of appreciation and respect for our esteemed principal ma'am for all words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, and we thank you for being here with us today. I would also like to extend a very heartfelt thank you to our teachers who have always stood by us, guided us, led us, and motivated us. We feel proud and thank you for making us feel happy with your presence to this function. Last but not the least, I thank all the students for showing their interest in this program. Once again, thank you very much to everyone who participated and are going to make this event a success. Now, before moving on, I'm going to announce the Zoom IDs of the events. Judges, participants, and the accompanying teachers for the event, Techie Bubble, are requested to remain on this Zoom ID 492-208-2552. I repeat, judges, participants, and the accompanying teachers for the event, Techie Bubble, are requested to remain on the Zoom ID 492-208-2552.
Yeah, same ID.
Yes. Judges, participants, and the accompanying
Excuse
teachers
me.
of the event DigiView are requested to join the meeting 671-062-6498. Judges, I repeat myself, judges, participants, and the accompanying teachers for the event DigiView, a symposium, are requested to join the meeting ID 671-062-6498. Judges, participants, and the accompanying teachers for the event, Raphael's Fanzine, are requested to join the meeting ID 909-865-1590. I repeat myself, judges, participants, and the accompanying teachers for the event, Raphael's Fanzine, are requested to join the meeting ID 909-865-1590. We would also request our chief guest to join any one of the Zoom IDs to witness the events as per your convenience. Now, I would like to tell everyone and wish everyone all the best. May the best team win, and God bless us all. I request everyone to proceed to their respective Zoom IDs. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I would request Mr. Raja Mohan, whichever event you wish to join, you can choose the ID and you can log into that. Thank you. God bless us.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Yes, I invite Mr. Anil Yadav and Mr. Karthik Sinha to join our event E-Rafale Fanzine. Welcome you, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but students are waiting outside this Zoom meeting because some of the students they have joined the meeting, but somehow due to network issue they got logged out.
Allowing them. There will be there is 5 minutes logging in time. Okay, don't worry. They're
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
who's
Vivekta, this side, ma'am. May I leave? May I proceed to my event?
yeah, please log in your ID.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Navratan Bothra and Mr. Shivam Gupta, please join the DGB event.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who's going to conduct on this platform?
I will. I'm Deepika and Arunima.
Yeah, I'm going to make you the host and Arunima as a co-host.
Excuse me, Arunima, ma'am.
I welcome Dr. Charu Gandhi and Ms. Ruju Srivastava for the event Techie Bubble. Please stay there in the same ID.
Deepika, you may wait and attendance, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Deepika, you are disconnected.
No, ma'am, I'm there only.
Make you the host.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm the host now. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And I'm making Ruzul and Dr. Gandhi as a co-host. Deepika, who else is there with you?
I'm Arunima, ma'am.
Okay. Make Arunima also co-host, beta. Since I have made you host, now I do not have the.
Yeah, doing, ma'am.
And make your judges also as the co-host.
Yes, ma'am, doing. Done, ma'am.
Please, Ananya Mahindra, please mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
I can hear some noise. Is Ananya yours? I think yes.
Can we start, ma'am?
Carry on, please.